Hello friends, this is Dharmendra once again with a new video in which I am going to tell you about the use of identification, measure, distance and list command. These are inquiry command. Let us open AutoCAD window. Edit the object, whatever is here drawn. Now the list of command. Let us write down. These are the command which we are going to practice right now: identification, measure, distance and list. So heading towards the command, let us first draw a line using line command. L enter, F8 for ortho. For a straight line we must use F8. Now I am giving 15 mm length for this line. I don't know from where I have started this line. That means the specification is first point is not clear and next point is neither clear. So if we want to know the coordinate value of x and y from the starting point, we should use identification. The short keys for identification, the short command for identification is id. Id enter. Wherever you want to know the x y coordinate, you just click on the point and it will display in command line. Likewise, I am clicking the starting point of the line. Okay, here it has shown the value of x is -97 and value of y is 75. That means the coordinate value is -97 and 75 as well. Now I am pressing Z enter, A enter, then I am drawing a line of 15 unit. Okay, let me find out the value of xy from the starting point. Okay, it's -1 and x is -1 and y is 55. The end point of the value of end point, id enter and clicking on end point, it's showing x value of x is 14 and value of y is 55. This way we can get to know the value of any object, their axis value. Let us draw a line once again of 20 unit. Now this is a line where its length is 20 mm. Now I am going to measure the line using ME command. ME enter, select object to measure. Whichever object you want to measure, just click on that object. Here specify length of segment. How many segment you want to, the length of segment, the segment measurement of segment must be given here. I am providing 5 mm for the segment length. 5 enter. Now it has divided into 5 piece of 5 mm each, but it's not showing clearly. For that purpose we need to use point style to divide this line. Let me use the short key for point style, DDP tie, enter. To get the point style, we use DDP type. Enter. Now I will choose any type of any of them through which I want to represent the division. Let me take the crossing line. Okay, this way it has showing that line has divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 segment, and each segment is of 5 mm. So this way we can measure any dimension, any line in given segment, given length of segment. Okay. So once again check it out. I am drawing a line of 30 mm. Now using measure command, me enter, selecting object, and layout segment I am keeping 10 unit, and that means 10 mm. It has divided the line into 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. Each part is of 10 mm. Okay. Similarly, distance is also work like measure command, but here for distance we use not the value of line, we use the segment, how many segment we want to keep. So let us draw a line first to find out. Once again, enter. I have drawn 12 unit line, 12 mm line, and I am going to use distance command. Not okay, distance is all about measuring the line. Okay, TIST, distance, clicking first point and clicking next point. Now it has shown the distance. The delta x value is 12. That means this line is 12 mm long. So we can find out any length or any length distance by through using this command. Now next command is list. Actually after measure I tried to elaborate about divide command, but somehow it is distance here. I will explain about divide after the list command. Okay. Now list is all about information of or properties of a particular object. If I want to know something about or details about this line, their axis, their coordinate value, the width of line type, I will use list command. LIST, enter, selecting object. Now a notepad window has appeared in front of us, and it is showing the layer is 0 space. I am working in model space. Handle 25F. From X it is 47, from Y it is 37, Z is 0 to the point 59 and 37. This length is 12 mm. Okay, this way we can get the information of the drawn object in a notepad window. Okay, we can toggle by using clicking on notepad window as well as object. Now our next is fifth one. This is divide. Okay, for divide, if we are taking this line, it is 12 mm of length. I want to divide it in 4 parts. Okay, so I will use divide command, div, enter. I will select this object and it's asking about the enter the number of segment. I want to divide it in 4 segment. Okay.